Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to avoid toll roads. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're driving and you want to avoid the roads which take toll, you can simply configure your GPS app, that is Google Maps or your Waze. Now to avoid tolls, you can simply go to your Google Map or Waze and then search for a destination. Now, once you have searched for a destination, you need to simply tap on the direction section, and then once you have set the location, you can tap on the three dots. There you can find options. Here you need to simply tap on avoid ferries or like avoid tolls if you have any in your trips option. So if you have a toll area here in this location, then you can simply avoid it by toggling the button to the right hand side. So this way you can simply avoid toll roads. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative video. Thank you for watching.